The same 700 cubes could be twisted infinite times to create infinite portraits.
It's fascinating for me, and that's the reason why I keep doing it. If you use thousands and thousands of cubes, although it's still a hard work, it's easier to get a better picture, but by only using 700 cubes to improve the design means that there is a lot of work involved to maximize the use of only 5 colors. So this is the studio that I'm using at the moment. It's just a momentary studio that I have, and that's why it's very empty. What I have here right now is space from the movie It. Yeah, it's a bit of a scary one comparing to what I normally do, but I really like the effect that it creates. In general, whenever I choose the subject for one of my portraits, it mostly depends on which movie am I watching in that day, or if I've been to a concert. Like for example, a few months ago I've been to the Foo Fighters concert, and then I decided to do a Dave Grohl mosaic. All the portraits represent something that I'm influenced by in that moment. What is gonna be fun will be in a few years, when I'll scroll back and look at all my portraits, I will be able to understand in which moment I was influenced by what. A friend of mine brought the cube at school, and he taught me how to solve it, and I started practicing more and more, and that's how I became Italian champion. When I was a kid, I used to be very creative and build things. I wanted to get back on that, and so I thought that making portraits with cube would be something cool. A lot of people think that if you solve a cube, you're pretty much a nerd or you're like a genius at math. And that always makes me laugh, because it's really not the truth. I'm happy to at least try to make the Rubik's Cube look cool.